community fridge and bus stop here in Missouri, and we are having the grand opening and ribbon cut now. Just kind of wanted to show some of it. It's amazing. See, it says here, the Grant Beach Giving Hub. So this is for the community. They have a fridge.
Walk all the way around it.
Excuse me. So,
yeah, exactly.
There was someone hosting, one of the hosts is telling about it, what we have. There's some work going on, so it's kind of hard to get this right. But here, I want you to see this. Everyone to see this. It's amazing. But it's better when we're not so close to it. Oh, thank you so much. I'm a bit clumsy sometimes.
I am too, the older I get.
Well, we're just getting better somehow.
Thank you. That's a good positive thought.
Okay, let's see here. Alrighty, want to give you guys just a little bit of what's going on here, and it's kind of hard to show the complete beauty of such as this. Oh, it's amazing though. It really is wonderful. Just amazing. So I'm trying to get out now farther enough so you can see just how beautiful it is. This is one of the schools I used to teach at some time ago. For a little while anyway, since I've been here in Missouri. So I'll go across the street and show it better. This is a video after all. So I should have done it live. I'm so sorry. I never think of that until I start doing something. Just amazing. My big school. Well, it's not that big, but it's one of the amazing schools that I taught at for a short while. A couple of years or so. Oh, so beautiful. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys have an amazing day as well. Peace out. Love, joy, and blessings. Till next time.